Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a box from Macy's. It is the Macy's Beauty Box. Did you know Macy's had a beauty subscription? I mean, I knew that they had it. I had just never tried it, but I decided I had to give in and try it. For $15 a month, I mean, why not? It is $15 a month. They give you 5 sample items. They say plus bonus items, plus a pouch. I didn't get a pouch last time, but they, had the extra items, so I was fine with that. Also, they give you a $5 gift card off of your next $20 beauty purchase at Macy's. So if you want to try that, I do have a link below. It is an affiliate link. If you click on it, it just gives me like sales credit, like a sales lady. But right now, we're going to open this box and see what's inside. Man, when I opened it, I really opened it. It just come all the way. It doesn't look like they have a pouch again. They may have stopped doing that. I just got the information off the website. But let's see what this says. Macy's Beauty Box, Women Founded Beauty. This is a $63.73 value. In honor of Women's History Month, we're taking you on a journey through our favorite beauty brands founded by women for everyone. See why these products are on top. So, and then it has my code for my $5 off. The list of the products. Open, have fun, repeat. Your monthly beauty fix is here. You've chosen the top brands and essential items the beauty obsessed can't live without. Try them now, love them forever. Plus, check out how-tos, videos, full versions of your favorite, and more at macys.com/beautybox. Of course, I also have that link below that will take you to that. So that's what it looks like. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Oh, Nudestix. I've been wanting to try some Nudestix products and I just haven't. This is the Mini Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. Lose the shadow, reach for this illuminating stick instead. This high shine eye color glides on like a dream. The nude pigment adds the perfect balance of bright while subtly picking up glints of reflective shimmer from the sun. It's a $26 value. It says add a single swipe or layer on the pigment. Let's open it. So it looks pretty. Oh, I see. In some ways you can hardly see it. It's just shining, and then you turn another way, it's dark. That's actually kind of cool. I will have to try that on my eyes. That would be good for a fast day and you just wanted to put the color on and go and not do a whole bunch of stuff. Ooh, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Where's it at? Here we go. This is a clear brow gel. I actually used Anastasia products on my brows today. I used the pencil swipey thing and I used the a brow gel, but it's a colored. The Woman, the Myth, the Brow Legend. Tame your brows with the GOAT of all brow brands. This clear gel sets brow color and holds brow hair in place all day without feeling stiff or sticky. $22 value. Swipe over your natural brows or layer on top of pigments to keep your brow color looking sharp and on point. So I love a good swipe and go. These are good for more natural days if you don't want to do all the color and stuff and you just want to tame them brows. I do those on occasion. There's your little brow brush, and of course it's clear, but yeah, definitely will be using this. I've been enjoying the Anastasia lately. Next on the list is Korres. And that is this one. This is Greek Yogurt Forming Cream Cleanser. So now we're going to clean our face with Greek yogurt. Okay. Greek yogurt keeps our bodies balanced on the inside, but who knew what an impact it could make on your skin? Well, Korres definitely did. It's C-O-R-R-E-S. I don't think I'm saying it right. This best-selling superfood cleanser is formulated with pre- and probiotic rich green yogurt that leaves skin pure and nourished. Full size, $28. It says use as a cleanser morning and night for soft, replenished skin. So, okay, I'll give it a try. It's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed until I'm done with the cleansers I'm using because I'm trying not to let stuff go bad. Very cool. Laura Geller Pre-Stick Lip Scrub. I haven't had one of these. Now, I do like Laura Geller products. Actually, I'm going to put a link down below because I am affiliated with her. Normally do the lipsticks, but I've never had one of the scrubs before. Ooh, I'm excited. Exfoliating made easy. No, literally. You don't even have to get your hands dirty. This lip scrub, not to be mistaken for a gorgeous lipstick, uses sugar granules to nourishing avocado oil that leaves your skin smooth as silk and ready for some color. It's a $21 value. It says how to use. Gently swipe across your lips to remove dead skin and dryness. Ooh, I'm excited. So many times I forget to scrub my lips, you know, with an actual scrub when I'm washing my face in the morning. And I'll get set down and want to scrub my lips. And then I'm like, well, I'm not in front of the sink and all that. So that would be cool. Just to do it like you would a lipstick. All right, I want to feel. Okay, I feel it. That's cool. Has anybody tried this? Did you like it? A very light scrub. Smells nice too. Almost like strawberries. Ooh, I like that. Grape. It says grape. It's grape. How did I get strawberry at grape? I knew it wasn't just right. All right, I'll move on. This is Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Beso. I almost feel like I have this color. Hang on. All right, so I do have the exact color. So I'm going to take the one that I haven't opened and gift it, and I'm going to show you the one that I do have. So there is the one, and there is the color. It's pretty. It kind of has a little bit of an, well, I was going to say orange tint to it. Maybe it doesn't. I'd have to see it on my lips to say. I think it was just the lighting though. It looks oranger in there than it does on my hand. That's interesting. All right. Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Beso. B-E-S-O. Beso. 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 Much like their famed eyeliner, Stila's liquid lipstick of the same name is a total game changer. The quick setting pigment is enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, so it sits on your lips without feeling dry or flaky. Oh, and touch-ups. Not necessary. $22. It says swipe on, give it a few seconds to dry, and be on your way. So I swiped it on. I still don't think it's completely dry, but it's getting there. Hang on. All right, so it still wasn't dry. Been more than a few seconds. We're keeping it real, y'all. Anyway, so let's move on. Rachel Zoe Fearless de Parfum. I'm not French speaking. This ambery floral fragrance is perfect for this month's box because it was inspired by women who are brave and unapologetically bold. Mandarin, tuberose, and vanilla add a sweet flair, while cedar wood gives it deep dimensions underneath. It's $70 for the full-size bottle. How to use. Spritz onto pulse points for a scent that lasts all day. So, Rachel Zoe Fearless. That's what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it's pretty. actually like this one. I like it a lot. Fearless women are courageous and unapologetically bold. This scent is for all the women who are beyond brave in all aspects of life and never afraid to take risks. XO Rachel Zoe. I really like that one. Mandarin, tuberose, and vanilla. Yay! I love these little samples. They're great for in your purse. They're, you know, have you ever met that one person who always has the same perfume on, and you're, you know, I like to be different. I like to, you know, some days I want to be more floral. Some days I want to be more earthy. It just depends on my mood. Let's see. Yeah, it's still, okay. Last thing in here, and it is not on a list, so I guess this is the extra item, or maybe the item we're getting because there's not a pouch. Let's see what it is. All I can see is it says made in China. You're amazing. And it's Post-it notes. Post-it notes. Very cute. It's a cute little Post-it note set. I like this. I like that it actually folds up. It'd be great for in your purse. How many times have you put like a pad of paper in your purse and it all gets torn everywhere? I like that because that way if somebody needs a note, I have a way to write one. So I do like that. So in this box, we have the Post-it note. We got the yogurt cleanser. We got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow. We got the Nudestix eyeshadow stick. The Stila Liquid Lip. The lip scrub from Laura Geller. And we got the awesome perfume from Rachel Zoe. So, I mean, I think for $15, I think that was pretty good. What do y'all think? Is that everything? I think it was. Yes. And the $5 off of your $20 purchase. So really you're paying $10. I like it. I'm happy with it. I want to know y'all's opinion. Please feel free to let me know what you think. If you want to try the box, like I said, I do have a link down below. I'd really appreciate it if you use my links. They do help me out. So thank you so very much if you have used any of them. Also, I'd really like it if you would take some time to press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free and I appreciate it so very much. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Press that notification so you don't miss any videos. And if you want to donate to the cause, which is revamping or continuing to revamp this room, I'm getting there, and decorate it. That's the thing, is decorations. Whew. And equipment. I really could use some more lighting and things. But anyway, if you want to donate, there are two different ways to do that. There is a super thanks button down below. You can press that. It's like leaving a tip to YouTube. Or you can go to buymeacoffee.com. I'm under Unboxed by G. I hope you enjoy this. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.